guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thebrownbarbiee. On this channel I give you beauty content, lifestyle, and of course travel content. So if that's something that interests you, please hit that subscribe button just to see my life, to see how we got this, because girl, I done found the recipe, the key to add fullness to your wig, lazy girl highlight hack, all of the above with some tape-in. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and how we did it, please continue watching. But before you do that, just hit that subscribe button, okay? Like, just hit that subscribe button, because this ain't down. This ain't down. It's affordable. It ain't nothing more there ain't no debate. And if you don't hit the subscribe button, just hit the like button so I know you're there, because this ain't down, y'all. Like, come on. Come on. I had it curly and it was definitely a little better, and it's still the first day, so the hairs are blending, but this is so stinking cute, you guys. I am just absolutely in love with how the colors came together, everything like that. I definitely wish there was a little more blonde throughout, but I was just a little more on the scared side to lift it up. But I think this ate down. I think the look is there, the thought is there. So if you guys want to learn how to achieve a look like this, as well as just how to install tape-ins in general, and especially in a wig, please continue watching right now.
Hey y'all, hey, voiceover DYINGGG is here, and we have our 2 tape-ins we will be using for today. We have our 613 pack of tape-ins, freshly, never used, and we do have our light brown, which is a little under the color 4, that I have used on this unit already. And you will see one tape still in the wig, and I'm just trying to show y'all a good little clean one, because oh, I love these. And we do have our extra tapes for those brown pieces. And if you look in the hair, you see that little light brown piece. We got one tape standing strong. So now it's very important when you're parting your hair, it is very, very precise, okay? Because this can get real messy, okay? You're going to see how thin the parting space I have to use. So that's the front of our tape, and I'm going to show you guys the back. You see it's a little more sticky. It's important to know what side is correct. And now I'm going to be reapplying that new tape sticky part on our old tape, so we can have a fresh new tape ready to go for our install. Now if you guys see how thin that hair is, it's very essential that you have a thin piece of hair, or that tape will not adhere to the other tape. I, as you guys will see, seal mine with the flat iron. Some people don't. So it's really important that you are having that hair that is very thin, that is enough to stick on, because if it's too thick, the tapes will not stick together. The tape won't even stick in general, and it will slip off. So I try to give you guys the best angle. I do apologize for my hand, but all I'm doing there is just really pressing it firmly, so when we get that flat iron, it's not moving already. That is pretty much there, and all we're doing is sealing it. I believe I have my flat iron on heat 320 between 380. As you guys see, it's getting real like sticky, so don't put it too hot or it will burn it. So we got our first tape. It is sturdy, girl. It is sturdier than the New Yorkers, because we don't want no tapes slipping and falling out. That is not cute. That is not cool. So I do like to brush each of my tapes out to make sure there is no knots or tangles, so we can move on. Very important that you are constantly going back and detangling and checking how tight you are. Ooh, that color is so pretty. This is my favorite hair thing I have done this year. So now for the rest of the video, I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy while I finish doing the rest of the tapes for the bottom half of the hair, and I will tap back when we get to the lace part.
Serve me on a regular.
So now we are on the frontal area, and I'm still doing the same thing, making sure it's thin parting space. Now with this, girl, you gotta be close to the root, okay? You know, in the back it could be hidden and all that stuff, but you really gotta make sure you're close to the root, because you do not want anything slipping, you don't want anything showing. That's not cute. Even I feel like my placement here wasn't the best, because if I don't brush my hair the right way, you kind of can see the shiny part of the top of the tape. So it's like, you just gotta play it by ear. You just gotta be real careful and precise if you want to do it on your lace frontal. And before we wrap up, I just really want to emphasize, if you are going to do this method, make sure your hair is clean, blow dried. If you don't even put any oil, because you really want this hair to stick. The tapes will stick, so you can apply all that product and oil afterwards. Make sure this is clean, blow dried hair. I cannot emphasize that anymore. And now we have our finished tape at the top. Secured, ho. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Eat her. Eat them up.
Okay, so this is the finished look. The hair, I wore it in curls to work today and they fell a bit, but as you guys see, we have the highlight. This is obviously the original wig. The bottom of the wig we seen had a little bit more of the foundation, of the color, but in this video I just wanted to show you guys how you are able to not only add fullness to your hair, add highlights to your wig if you're still learning how to dye and you're a little scared to bleach your wigs. There's also a really safe way as well. It's definitely tedious, as you guys seen. It takes a lot of patience. Once you get in the swing of things, it's good. It's just pretty much the parting and, you know, being really patient with sticking them together, all that stuff. But I think it comes out absolutely beautiful, and we do see it added some length. The bottom is fire. Like, this side is eating up this side. I think we lost a few. I lost one blonde piece this morning, but this side I didn't put as much blonde, so I would definitely go back in and add some more blonde pieces and stuff like that. There is blonde on this side. It just gets a little lost in the mix. I don't know why. It just gets a little more lost in the mix, but I absolutely love this. The hair is super thick and full, and combined with a good silky, good quality wig, it is absolutely amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was something that enticed you, something that you might want to try. I know when I looked this up on YouTube, there wasn't too many, so hopefully I tried to make sure I was as thorough as possible, showing you guys the position and really being as in-depth as possible. I hope you guys understand how we done got this, okay? It is super thick and full, and honestly my wig, I done had a long day at work, but I absolutely love the outcome. This side is so cute. Like, what? I definitely want to add more blonde to this side, but these tape-ins were from Amazon. I absolutely love them. Super affordable, great for beginners. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you really enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so you can learn more hair tips, learn more tips and tricks about the hair game, so we can be eating, all right? So we can be eating up. Bye guys.